Hi guys, welcome back to our channel CA Foundation, CA English, and this exercise C from chapter 1. We are going to see from 11th sum to 20th sum in this video. Due to some personal reasons, the board is not available for some days, so I am referred to solve the sums in the notebooks. Okay guys, let's get into the video. And the first sum of this video is, let's see, 11th sum. Okay, in 11th sum, 3 cube the whole square, 4 square the whole cube, 5 cube the whole square, 3 square the whole cube, 4 cube the whole square, 5 square the whole cube. And in this sum we are going to use only one law, that is a power m the whole power n is equal to a power m into n. Okay, just we can solve it. Is equal to, if we multiply it, it will be 3 power 6 into 4 power 6 into 5 power 6 divided by 3 power 6 into 4 power 6 into 5 power 6. If we see all the terms are equal, just we can cancel it. Okay, if we cancel, the answer will be 1. 12th sum, which is true? The options are: option A, 2 power 0 greater than 1 by 2 the whole power 0. Option B, 2 power 0 lesser than 1 by 2 the whole power 0. Option C, 2 power 0 is equal to 1 by 2 the whole power 0. Here we are going to use only one law. That law is a power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, that is the common law for all the options. Okay, then now if we do a power 0, here 1 and here also 1, it is not the right answer. 1 is not greater than 1. Okay, it is always equal to 1 and 1 are equal. Okay, that means here also 1 lesser than 1. Okay, here the 1 is equal to 1, then the answer is option C. 13th sum, if x power 1 by p is equal to y power 1 by q is equal to z power 1 by r and x y z is equal to 1, the value of p plus q plus r is what? They are asking to find what is the value of p plus q plus r. Okay, now just we can write x power 1 by p is equal to k, 1 by q is equal to k, z power 1 by r is equal to k. Here I am taking the k as constants. Okay, now this 1 by p is now we can bring this 1 by p to the another side, it will be come into reciprocal. Okay, therefore x is equal to k power p, y is equal to k power q, z is equal to k power r. Okay, z is equal to k power r. Okay, next step, we having the value that x, y, z is equal to 1. Now we are going to equal the value with k power p, k power q into k power r. Okay, k power p into k power q into k power r is equal to 1. According to the law, a power 0 is equal to 1. We are taking this 1 as k power 0. Okay, k power q into k power q into k power r is equal to 0. Okay, now we are going to use another one law, that is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Already we have saw this. Now we are going to convert that into this using that law. Okay, now k power p plus q plus r is equal to k power 0. Sorry, I missed the k power 0. Now the k is in the base. Okay, leave it the k. Therefore, p plus q plus r is equal to 0. This is the answer for 13th sum, option B. Note out the last properly. Okay. 14th sum, the value of y power a minus b into y power b minus c into y power c minus a into y power minus a minus b. Here we are going to use one property first. A power, not property, law. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. This is the law here we are going to use. Just apply that law. Y power a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. Already there is a minus. Minus into plus is minus. Minus a minus b. Okay, just cancel it, which are able to cancel. Plus a plus b minus c plus c. Okay, and the balance is y minus a minus b. Here now we are going to use another law. A power minus m can be written as 1 divided by a power m. Just wrote like that, 1 divided by a plus b, and the option is D. They are asking that what is the true option. We can find the true option by solving all the options. First we are going to solve the option A. Okay, now solve the option A. X power 2 by 3. We can write this cube root x square into x square the whole power 1 by 3. Okay, now we are going to use one law. A power m the whole power n is equal to a power m into n. We are going to use this law. Okay, now just write like as the law is given. X power 2 into 1 by 3. We can write like this. Now x power 2 by 3 is equal to, if we multiply it, and the answer will be x power 2 by 3. Is both are equal, so the answer option A is right. In this sum, the option A is right, so this sum is so simple to solve. If the option is changed in exam, do carefully and do properly using the laws. Okay. 16th sum, 16x power minus 3 y square into 8 power minus 1 x cube y power minus 2. Okay, they are asking to simplify this answer. Now we can't do 16 as anything, 8 power minus 1 as anything, but the base are same in x and x. Here plus 3 minus 3, so we can add the power. Okay, 16 into x minus 3 plus 3 into y's base also same, so y 2 minus 2 into 8 power minus 1. And the next step, if we cancel this both and this both, the answer will be 0. Okay, 16 into, we are going to use the law a power 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, the here answer both is 1, and into 8 power minus 1. 16 into 8 power minus 1. Here we are going to use another law. A power minus m is equal to 1 divided by a power m. Now convert it. 16 divided by 8. The minus 1 will be plus 1. If we power 1, that answer will be also 8. So the answer is 2. Option is C. 17th sum, they are asking the value of 8 by 27 the whole power minus 1 by 3 into 32 by 243 the whole power minus 1 by 5. Here just we are simplifying the 8 into 2 cube, 27 into 3 cube, the whole power minus 1 by 3. Okay, into 32 into 2 power 5 and 243 into 3 power 5, and the whole power is minus 1 by 5. Next we are going to use one law, that is a power m divided by b power m is equal to a divided by b the whole power m. Okay, now write using that formula. Law 2 by 3 the whole power 3 into minus 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 the whole power 5 into minus 1 by 5. Here we are cancelling the 5 and 3. Okay, next the answer will be 2 power 3 the whole power minus 1 into 2 power 3 the whole power minus 1. Here we are going to use next one law. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Okay, next 3 we can write it as reciprocal, that is this form. Okay, 3 divided by 2 into 3 divided by 2, and the answer is 9 by 4, option A. That's it. 18th sum, the value of x plus 2 by 3 into x minus y the whole power 3 by 2 root divided by root of x plus y into root of x minus y, sorry for the minus y cube the whole power 6. They are asking the value of this term. Okay, now we are going to write a simplified form x plus y the whole power 2 by 3 as it is, and x minus y the whole power 3 by 2 divided by, we can take the root value as 1 by 2. Okay, therefore x plus y the whole power 1 by 2 into x minus y cube the whole power 1 by 2. The value of root is 1 by 2. Okay, just write it off. Value of root x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, and in the next step is equal to, just we are going to use one property, that not property, law. Okay, and the law is a power m the whole power n is equal to a power m into n. Okay, now write it the above terms as it is, 5 by 3 plus, sorry not plus, into x minus y the whole power 3 by 2 divided by x plus y 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into x minus 3 into 1 by 2 is become 3 by 2. Okay, and we can cancel this both. Okay, if we cancel, and the next answer will be whole bracket x plus y 2 by 3 divided by x plus y the whole power 1 by 2 and the whole power of 6. Now we can bring the 6 into this, and we can cancel some terms. Okay, x plus y power 2 by 3 into 6 divided by x plus y 1 by 2 into 6. 2 3s are 6 and 3 into 2 6. Okay, next we are going to simplify x plus y the whole power 4 divided by x plus y the whole cube. Okay, next we are going to solve using one law. Okay, a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Now write it as x plus y 4 minus 3, and the answer is x plus y. Okay, that's it. 19th sum, simplify 125 power 2 by 3 into root 25 into cube root 5 cube into 5 power 1 by 2. Just we are going to simplify it as 5 cube the whole power 2 by 3 into, if we take root for 25, the answer will be 5. The value of cube root is 5 cube the whole power 1 by 3. Okay, we can take the cube root as 1 by 3. Next 5 power 1 by 2. Here now we are going to use one law, that is a power m the whole power n is equal to a power m into n. Okay, next just write according to the law. Okay, 5 power 3 into 2 by 3 into 5 into 5 power 3 into 1 by 3 into 5 power 1 by 2, and 3 and 3 is cancelled, and 3 and 3 is cancelled. Now we can write it as 5 square into 5 into 5 into 5 power 1 by 2. Next we are going to use one law here. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Okay, now we can add the powers. Okay, 5 power 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 5 power 9 by 2. That's it. And the option is not in the book. Okay, D, none of these is the answer. 20th sum, the question is little bit big. Okay, 2 power 1 by 2 into 4 power 1 by 4 power 3 by 4 into 8 power 5 by 6 into 16 power 7 by 8 into 32 power 9 by 10, the whole power 4 and the whole power 3 by 25. Just we are going to first use one law, that is a power m, the whole power n is equal to a power m into n. Now just we are going to use this law in this sum. Okay, just write according to that law. 2 power 1 by 2 into 2, we can write the 4 as 2 square into 3 by 4. Okay, and 2 cube into 5 by 6. Okay, next 2 power 4 into 7 by 8, and next 2 power 5 into 9 by 10. Okay, and power of 4 and the whole power of 3 by 25. Okay, and the next step we are going to simplify. 2 and 3 1 3 2 4 4 into 2 is equal to 8, 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Next we cannot cancel anything, just write what is the balance. 2 power 1 by 2, 2 power 3 by 2, sorry, 2 power 3 by 2, 2 power 5 by 2, 2 power 7 by 2, 2 power 9 by 2, power of 4 and the whole power of 3 by 25. Okay, now we can, here we are going to use another one law. That law is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. The base values are equal, so we are going to add the power values. Okay, now write it. 2 power 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 7 by 2 plus 9 by 2, the power of 4 and the whole power of 3 by 25. Okay, next we are going to solve 2 power 25 by 2, the whole power 4, the whole power of 3 by 25. Okay, and the next step I am solving here. Now we are going to use that law, this law again. Okay, now we are going to use this law. Okay, a power m the whole power n is equal to a power m into n another time. Okay, now we can use it and bring the 4, this 4 to inside the power of 25 by 2. Okay, now 2 power 25 by 2 into 4, the whole power 3 by 25. Okay, now cancel it. 2. Okay, therefore 2 power 50 the whole power 3 by 25. And the next and the next step we are going to use same law again and bring it inside. 2 power 3 by 25 into 50. Okay, here 2, therefore 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 2 power 6. 2 power 6 is an integer. Option B, it is an integer. Okay, That's it, and the sum is over. If you don't subscribe our channel, please do subscribe for our channel for the regular videos and regular updates for the CA foundations. If you are viewers in Tamil, we have another branding channel as CA Tamil. You can subscribe the CA Tamil channel and you can watch our videos also in Tamil language. Okay guys, keep supporting and keep sharing the videos guys. Bye, take care.